we're headed to Motorama. Time to load in, get set up for the show, and meet people and go see what is all at this show. Every year it's different. Like this year was totally packed. Other years it was light. I didn't film everything this year. Last year's video was a lot different because I wasn't so tired, but there's little go-karts and there's like midget go-karts, there's quad cross, there's 50cc's, all the classes of dirt bikes and quads and classes. I don't know all the classes, but all this is included in one price, so it's pretty cool. Also, there is all sorts of RC stuff. I wish they would bring back the RC rock crawling, but there's demo derbies. This is some kind of buggy class, I guess they call it. There's also wind dirt cars and dirt car modifieds racing another spot. But as you can tell, there's all different kind of vehicles. This is a pretty clean, cool Jeep. I've never seen it out on the trails, so he's from Pennsylvania. Maybe he just got it done. I don't know who it is. If you know who it is, drop it in the comments. This is just a small portion of the pits for the races. Over there in the corner to my right, there is BattleBots. Here's some more racing. There's two major halls for show cars. I'm in the speed hall, and I don't know what this one's called, but it's got more usually high-end like race cars, diesel trucks, and imports. I'm always in the older speed hall where all the actual race cars like dirt cars and that kind of stuff. This is a local place to us. These are all bolts all the way down the end. They have trailer stuff, like they have steel here. This place is like one of the coolest places. Like they have every kind of bolt you could ever want. There's even, where is it? There's not many places that you can go get where is it? Now I'm making a lie of myself. I forget where it's at. Oh, right here. They have 9/16 bolts, which most places you have to buy like one for, I don't know, like $4. But I don't know the price. Oh, there's the price. $3.99 a pound for grade 8, which is really cheap. They have plow bolts, and then metric bolts are a little expensive, but I like to keep all that stuff in stock. And we just got done with the buggy, but it's never really done, so I'm gonna have to have some stuff in stock, so that's what I'm doing here. So tools don't always make your job easier. This is a cheap leak down tester, but it seems to be working really good. I bought this whistle to tell me where top dead center is, and maybe because this is a 60-degree V6, I don't know why, but I stuck a screwdriver in there. It's really hard. The reason why I bought that is because I don't have a cameraman. There's nobody else here. And it's hard to reach down there and grab that ratchet. Well, it was showing high, like 80% loss, and I was like, I don't think the thing would run at all with 80% loss. So what I did was I grabbed my long screwdriver and played Stretch Armstrong. I'm really aging myself now, but stuck that down in there and brought the piston up, and it was a couple degrees worth of movement on the ratchet until it was really at what I believe is close as I possibly humanly can at top dead center. And now you can hear it coming out of the intake, but that means everything is good. That green and even moderate. So this engine, this is the one that I had problem with, number 1 cylinder. This was the worst one when I goofed up. So I'm gonna do a couple more, but I think it's gonna be fine. So I picked up a new tool at Motorama, a couple other new tools. I'm currently pulling injectors to send them out to get tested and cleaned. I want everything to be copacetic, so there's a couple little things we have to finish on the Buggy, but I'm going to do a leak down test and a bunch of other stuff. So we also decided to take a break. The weather was somewhat good. These prickers really sucked. Can't believe the stuff I do for rock crawling, but out hunting for new trails to cut for the season, because most of them have been broken. There's a couple trails that haven't been broken. I headed up to Joe Evans' house to help him with my old Buggy. We had to get the motor in, get some stuff figured out. So we had to cut some stuff to get the shocks to work for his setup, but he's well on his way. The old Buggy should be on the trails this year. This was more or less like a 2-week vlog of what we've been up to. Hope you guys like it. It's a little bit of a hodgepodge thing, but that's how life is with Buggy stuff. Like, you're doing all sorts of different projects, but glad that we could see the old Buggy take shape again, and we appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.